and gentlemen, Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Mactan, Cebu, Labu City, 25 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival. On behalf of your flight and crew, headed by Captain Sale and First Officer Brigatay, and your cabin crew team, we thank you for choosing Cebu Pacific, your airline of choice.
For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. If you require assistance, please remain in your seat until all other passengers have deplaned. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific, a member of Value Alliance. For passengers with onward connecting flights on Cebu Pacific or CEBGO, please proceed to the transfer desk located at the arrival hall. For assistance, please approach our ground personnel upon disembarkation.